The envy crow and the swan. The foolish crow got the idea that if he lived like the swan, swimming and diving all day and eating the weeds and plants that grow in the water, his feathers would turn white like the swan's. So he left the jungle in the trees and flew down to live on the lakes. And he was diving in the water and ate what Swan took as food. He washed and washed all day long, almost drowning himself at it. His feathers remained as black as ever. All the food taken by him was not digested. So he got thinner and thinner, and at last he died. So the moral of the story is that a change of habits will not alter nature. Thank you.